want to do you know. NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Viewers, subscribers, big up on yourself, you know. You don't know so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers on a real level, you know so there's something when I really want to talk about now. You know what I mean? And alright, from the other day, I dropped the flag, you know what I mean, about CMR and his situation, which send shockwave throughout social media, because you don't know say he's a fellow YouTuber, you know what I mean, a dancehall artist who are doing things same way my people, you know what I mean. So you don't know say I wanna way, you see me, I wanna way. So you know say we not gonna try bring him down or tear him down. If you know say when me drop the vlog with him, my people, me I say me can't attack him, me can't say this and that about him until, you know what I mean. But it's now my people when this is some things released basically from the whole thing, and we are here the reason behind it. Because remember what happened the other day, you know, we were talking about the incarceration, and based on the fact where them say him do this and do this to the age, you know what I mean, nobody was disclosed, my people, who this really happened to. But now when we see a file where a report was sent out now, my people, and it explain what really went down, and me have to say Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. CMR, you know, say it's not a good look. And me not like what I say. Me talk the truth, my people. Me not like what I say. Me not gonna be one-sided, and me not gonna go on like say, yo, me not feel aware about what I say, my people. But yo, on a real level, me just have to say, yo, CMR, yo, like something, if something not right with the headpiece or something not good in your brain cell or something, I just saw me have to say it now, my people. Because, alright, see a thing post, right? And basically it explain what go on. And me are going to read through, you know what I mean? There can, because this is some fine printing thing as some people. It has say, alright, so on the 2nd of 11, 2024, Zine, from the police report, I officer Kashita with the Apoka Police Department was notified of this case by Detective Shea. I responded to, you understand, basically them black out certain things because certain information have to keep credible. This is a police report. In Apoka. Upon arrival, I assisted Detective Shah interviewing Kushane Carter. I read Kushane his Miranda warnings of my department, issued Miranda card prior to any question to which he stated he understood and was willing to answer questions. Detective Shah's probable cause is as follows. On November 1st, 2024 at 1317 hours, this case was referred over to the Apoka Police Department from Detective Tally at OC Police Department. The incident involves a child making a disclosure about a sexual molestation, things have a cutout blackout again, that occurred this morning. At 1419 hours, I went to the school and made contact with the 13-year-old victim. The child agreed to speak with me about the incident from this morning. I asked her what happened and she disclosed that, you know what I mean, basically the name call of the person, had come into her bedroom this morning and touched her shoulders and breast area over her clothing. She stated that he then picked her up and placed her on the floor of her bedroom at the front of the bed head. The child then went down her pants to her knees. Basically, he then pulled her pants down to her knees and then stopped and pulled them back up. She was wearing underwear at the time. The child stated that this has happened twice before, once approximately 6 months ago and then last year around the winter time. On those occasions, he only touched her over her breast area with his hands. The child appeared to be forthcoming but did not want to get person name again into trouble because she did not want person name again to think he is a bad person. She ultimately wanted an adult to speak to him and tell him not to do this anymore. My people, Zane, so this are the report we sent. And basically we are talking about his stepdaughter. You see me? All along me I tell you the truth, my people. I saw videos where him interview him, always say him daughter, because you know, so basically she grew up around him, you know what I mean? And I'm daughter. So him consider I'm daughter. So many even not go say step, but not him biological daughter. Zane. And boy, she da really tell a lie upon him like that, my people. Upon a real level. She da really tell a lie. Do you in yourself think she's lying? All I have to say, my people, boy, CMR, lose half of your energy. Big man thing, bro. Lose half of your energy, bro. I'm not going to even blast her with no attack like that now, bro. But, bro, there's too much things that go on your side, my G. If you know, say you have such a wonderful family, bro. Great family, loving family. I thought that the other day, bro. A lot of men that dream for you have a wife like you, bro. A lot of men that dream for you about things that go good for you, my G. You see me? Bro, them things enough for you go on, my G. On a real level. This never should have forward up, bro. And if you think, say, because when me hear this thing, my G, at first point, me I think, say, I want a stranger, you know, my G. Me now pray, say, I the girl where I grew up in the same house, you know, my G. Me now pray that, bro. You see me? And even though it never reached to where nothing got in there, bro, but by touching on them thing there, bro, for sure, bro, that is harassment, my G. You see me? Where you could have pray, bro. You're a big man, my G. You're a 35-year-old, my G. You have a nice, as me say, very nice, good wife, business-minded. You know what I mean? I have a big up Chrissy a million times. You know what I mean? Real woman. Bro, me say we are Chrissy family father, one of them love you, my G. Them show you love your family, same speed, every all. So, things, yo, even if this not go say enough, if them thing enough, you come forward, my G. No report nothing there, so with your name involved in a certain things, bro. You see me? You should be a trendsetter because a lot of people look up to you, look up to your family, bro. And this is just a disrespect to you, to your family. It's an embarrassment, my bro. A real embarrassment. Eh? Honestly, and me talk truth, my G. A real woman, yo, Chrissy is a real woman, but if she really real in her mindset, she not go stay with her, bro. You gonna lose something good, you know, my G. And when you lose something good, bro, it's hard to find it back, you know, bro. You see me? Me gonna talk the truth, bro. A lot of people want to see you go down. A lot of people want to see you fall, bro. But me and your reason already, bro. Big man thing, because, you know what I mean? And me look up to you, bro. Me tell you that already. Me look up to you. Because me say you're a smart, bro. But you come like with certain things, G, you're not smart, bro. You see me? Bro, CMR, my G, CMR. Them thing enough here. Go on, bro. Zane, wish there was another part, you know, people, because you know, say, him a go film, give him film side eye story, but this whole heap of fine thing, it had damaged me eye, my people. No joke about it, you see me? But him give film statement pertain to it too. You see me? Him give film statement, and all me can say, my viewers and subscribers, but just, you know what I mean, wish them the best. You understand? Because them place him under arrest. Based on them investigation or them do, them place him under arrest, my people. You see me? Wish them not put no charge upon him or fling no charge upon him like that yet, you know. Because you know, say more investigation if you go on. And for now, the girl, she's not at the home. You see me? They move her out of the home until, you know what I mean, put her in a safe place until, my people, certain things can be dealt with. You see me? But all me as some viewers and subscribers, this should have never go on. This should have never happened, bro. You know what I mean? It should have never happened. Yo, man, yo, youths and youths, I hope we not learn, you know, bro. I hope we not have to learn for wall in yourself, my bro. Learn for wall in yourself, my G. And a lot of them things are going on. A lot of man out there, me I tell you, you know, you look on a step pitney and say, you know, pitney, you know, they can't touch them and them things, they're straight attack, you know. Because you're there with the mother. So the pitney automatically, your pitney to no matter, even though in a biological, but she look up to you as a daddy. So don't look on the other side. You know, if you're in nature, that's so G. You better you go find yourself, go club or something. If you decide you want to go the other way. But there's so much embarrassment with forward done on this brother side already. So this shouldn't even reach us. And these are the things I'm saying, my people. You see me? Because number one, they say camera the in the room. Can you know say another flanky place them up. Them say camera was in there, you understand, but the camera where did it, the video camera only record live stuff. And them say save. Some you understand why the sense you have a camera only record, you know what I mean, and it not saving. Does it make sense? Yeah, so there's a lot to this thing, I'm a people, there's a lot. But as I say people, I wish them the best. You see me? Him and him family, me I wish them the best. And you know, if him do it, guilty of it, well, him need to get the whatever thing them need and how them deal with this thing, they'll him have to pay for it. You see me? Because the the statement where the little girl make you say at the third time of people. So you know the fourth time maybe more serious. No joke about it. But for now, my people, big up on yourself and just stay safe and stay blessed. And remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official. One team, my people, one dream, one scheme. Big up, peace out, stay blessed. Attack!